Barbour and Hannah Godwin just celebrated their 3-year anniversary, and any Bachelor Nation fan can recall the TV moment they knew these two were endgame. Now, following a long engagement, the couple gave HollywoodLife.com an exclusive update on their nuptials, after putting their planning aside when they moved homes in February. "We are going to get it going. Get some dates, look at some venues. Once we pick a venue, I think we'll be pretty easy. Not that it'll all fall into place, but there are some pretty great planners to work with," Hannah admitted. Dylan added, "The issue is, there are like 50 million places to get married, how do you pick?" Hannah went on to say that they're 50-50 on whether to get married in the States or abroad. "That's why we go in circles," she laughed. "We're always like, should we do this? Or this? Or this? And then just put it off until the next week, and all of a sudden, it's been 3 weeks. However, they both said that this week would be the week they would make some plans. There's certainly no lack of love or companionship in Dylan and Hannah's relationship, as the two went on to gush over working together as entrepreneurs, and most recently as Dailies Cocktails co-CEOs of Chill. "I think Dylan's really smart. Little tasks don't scare him. He will call any place to get information, set up meetings. Logistical things don't scare him at all, which I think is why he's so good in business," the SetiUp founder said of her Visor app founder fiancé. "He's just unfazed when there's a lot of different tasks to be done." Dylan went on to say his future bride is very creative, strategy and brand-wise. "I've gotten to see a lot of that lately with her starting her app and a new company coming out soon. So that's been really fun to watch. I get a front row seat," he praised. Together, the couple are acting co-CEOs of Chill for Dailies Cocktails to help the nation decide which way they like to chill with the #1 brand of ready-to-enjoy, frozen adult beverages, in a pouch or in a pop form. Dailies ready-to-drink frozen pouches, 5% ABV/10 proof, bring all new, throwback-style fun with spiked snow cones, in blue raspberry and tiger's blood flavors, joining a family of 12 Dailies frozen cocktail pouch classics like Margarita, Pina Colada, Strawberry Daiquiri, and Bahama Mama. Meanwhile, Dailies Poptails, 6.8% ABV/13.6% proof, are going red, white and blue with an all-new patriotic pack, bursting with flavor in Cherry Comet, Lemon Sparkler and Blue Rocket varieties. Dylan loves the Poptails, he's a big fan, Hannah told HL. "The pouches are delicious and perfect for summer. I love the blue raspberry and tiger's blood flavors." Dylan admitted the Poptails are his go-to because he can fit 3 of them in his pocket. The fun duo also helped launch a Dailies' first ever merch shop, stocked with tanks, shorts, ultra-portable cornhole sets and other made-for-chilling summer gear.